let's make 4 ingredient mango Sooji cake, and guess what? It's eggless. Look how moist our cake is. Half a cup butter and 1 cup Sooji, and I'm going to mix this together. And this is going to be going on the side for 20 minutes. Canned mango pulp that I'm using, and you will use up to 3 cups of mango puree like this. So now we will mix this together. Let's wait for 20 minutes until our mango and Sooji is mixed. So I'm adding baking soda, 1 teaspoon. So now it's going in the oven, 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Your 4 ingredients Sooji mango cake is ready.